Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam. Welcome to the channel, Mash. We are saying goodbye to the Thor that is going to the tip, and then Phil and I are off to pick something. So basically, we are going on a road trip. So, hang tight. Okay, so the first part of our journey is going to be in queue, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I got the extension socket plug thing that I was looking for. And also we got some screen wash as well because I need some, Phil needs some, and Hubby Lux needs some, so that's done. Next stop is the tip to get rid of the Thor, because nobody wanted it. I even had it on for £1 and nobody wanted it, so tip. Okay, so as you just saw, that is the Thor to the tip. Bye bye Thor, bye bye. So now we are on the main journey for what we're going to be picking up. Obviously now the new laws are in, so I'm going to have to just turn this off and just use it as the sat nav. So see you when we get there. Right, okay guys, we're standing on the A1M northbound near Doncaster, 10 minutes away, and unfortunately, Bertie died. Bertie went into limp mode. Funnily though, I would say about 4 or 5 miles back, I felt something and I was like, oh. So, yeah, Bertie's in limp mode. What did you just say?
Bertie's throwing a hissy fit.
Bertie's thrown, yes, he's not happy. So I called green flag and just waiting for their arrival. They should be here within the next 20 minutes. But yeah, we don't know what's wrong with it, so they'll take a look at it, but we'll keep you informed. So this has actually turned out to be a little bit of an adventure. We are 10 minutes away from picking up that thing. Yeah, okay, we'll keep you updated. What time is it now? 10 past 4. 10 past 4. There we go, gonna get towed. Bye bye Bertie, bye bye. Bye bye. Is it gonna get up there? I doubt it. Oh yeah. That's the second time Bertie's been towed.
It's not very well, is it?
No.
One because of your incompetence.
One because of it was pitch black and I couldn't see the bloody Ford.
If you slide,
No. Diarrhea. Right, so what we were doing was coming up to Doncaster to pick up this spinner that you see here, but the car is still awaiting for another vehicle to take us back. This is the guy that we were buying it from, Mark. So Mark really kindly brought it to the Holiday Inn where we're waiting for the second vehicle to come and pick us up. So Mark really kindly lives nearby, brought it to us here for us to take it back to Grantham. So I wanted to say a great big thank you to Mark, because that is going above and beyond. So there are people out there on eBay that are genuinely nice, like this gentleman Mark. So
you're welcome.
thank you very much, Mark. Yeah. And yeah, I'll send him the link to this so you'll see himself on YouTube. See you in a minute, guys. Okay, so here we are in the truck. Bertie's on the back and we're on our way back to Grantham. So we'll see you for the next extended journey of calamity of but there's really good that the guy came and dropped off the spinner for us, so that's a bonus. But I'm feeling hungry. Are you? I feel the golden arch is coming on. We're home. It is now 7:15. It's not bad. Bertie's getting unloaded. I'm stuffed because we had Burger King, which was nice, obviously. But yeah, so he's just gonna offload Bertie. So see you in a minute. Okay, guys. So I just realised when I was starting to edit this video that I haven't done the actual ending. So Bertie was picked up this morning. This is the day after it went a bit peak-tong. So Bertie's been picked up by the garage. He's off having new fuel injectors, a full service, a new timing belt, replacement rear parking sensor. So it's having its full sort of like, you know, things that needed doing to it. So that's going to be done and dusted. So I'm going to be putting out a video very soon of the spinner that we picked up. Got a little bit of a demonstration video coming up for you guys very soon. So stay tuned for that. So I'm still exhausted after yesterday. It was a nightmare. Anyway, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.